Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use ClickUp to manage software development sprints, your complete guide for 2025. To start, you'll want to set up a new space in ClickUp. This is the area where you'll manage your software development projects. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and in one place. Next up, within your new space, create a folder for your sprints. Each folder can represent a different sprint. This is crucial because it allows you to segregate tasks and manage them more efficiently. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating lists within your sprint folder. Think of these lists as categories of tasks for each sprint. For example, you could have lists like to do, in progress, and done. This helps us because it gives us a clear visual representation of where each task is in the development process. Okay, time to add some tasks to your lists. Click on the plus icon next to each list to create a new task. Each task should represent a piece of work that needs to be done in the sprint. The importance of this step is that it allows you to break down the sprint into manageable chunks of work. Now let's assign team members to each task. Click on the Assignee field in the task details and select the appropriate team member. This is crucial as it clarifies responsibility, ensuring everyone knows what they're supposed to work on. Finally, we're going to set deadlines for each task. Click on the Due Date field in the task details and select the appropriate date. The reason we do this is to make sure that the tasks are finished within the sprint timeline. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a software development sprint in ClickUp. With this system, you can easily keep track of tasks, assign responsibility, and ensure your projects are completed on schedule. Remember, the key to successfully managing software development sprints in ClickUp is staying organized and keeping your tasks up to date. Now go ahead, try it out, and see how much smoother your project management becomes. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy project managing.